What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, RedLineMods. Thanks for tuning back in. Just had to do some few modifications on this Accord right here. Look at that nice Sonic Pro gray Accord. And then we got that nice front lip on the front. Just wanted to let you guys know, just be careful out there, especially in New York City, guys. Just a heads up, you know, a lot of people are stealing others, like Accord's freaking sensors. As you can see, it's stolen and it's not there. So if you see those signs pop up, always, I just get so many DMs like saying, hey, I have so many lights pop up. So check that sensor. I would definitely put like some kind of GPS or AirTag somewhere on it if it's possible, something for it, you know, or somehow protected with something, or custom, or really hard to take off sockets or whatnot. But if you start it up, you will right off the bat notice that those signs pop up. See that? You got a Christmas tree light up over there. So just wanted to give you guys a heads up. Just be careful out there and always look for it. But some kind of safety, I don't know if you guys have an idea for it. It's in your head thinking, you know, everybody out there combined on the channel watching this video, you guys might have different ideas of protecting it. So definitely share in the comment, guys. I just wanted to give you guys a heads up. Just be on the lookout for it, because it gets stolen a lot, and it does cost around, like, I think it costs anywhere from like $500 to $1,000. A lot of people get quoted for $800 to $1,000 at a dealership to be put back on. So yeah, that's that. And then that's it, fam. So peace out until next time. If you're a new subscriber, I appreciate support. Thanks for tuning in. And if you haven't subscribed and been watching my videos, kindly subscribe. It's free, doesn't cost you anything. It takes literally like 5 seconds to do it. Just subscribe, hit the bell icon to be notified of upcoming content. And that's about it, fam. I appreciate the support. Peace out until next time. The ambient lights looking good inside.